Hello 4th grade violin players. Here is a tutorial on a brand new song and it is called Lightly Row. I'll play it for you first and then we will learn the parts. Alright, the first part is A, F sharp. And so we're going to play our open A and make sure that our two fingers for F sharp are ready to go. So be my echo. A, F sharp, get ready, here we go now. Good, try it again. A, F sharp, go. One more time, two, ready, go. Next part is this, G, E, E, so that's 3, 1, 1, try it, ready, go. One more time, 3, 1, 1, go. I lied, one more time, 3, 1, 1. Alright, let's go back to the beginning. It sounds like this. Listen first. Let's try that. Listen first. A, F sharp, G, E, E, go. Next part is just like the D scale. We're going to walk up. D, E, F sharp, G, A, A, A. Let's try it. Ready, open, D. Try it again. Walk up. 1, 2, ready, here you go. Awesome. Let's put those parts together from the beginning. Sounds like you can listen first or play along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Awesome. Next part sounds like this. Okay, let's break that down. We're going to play just like the beginning, but we have 3 F sharps instead of 2. So listen first. A, F, 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 try that, ready, go. Try it again, 2, ready, go. Next part is this. G, E, 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 1, 2, ready, play. Try it again, 2, G, go. Now we have a little skipping around. Listen first. D, F sharp, A, F, F sharp. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, here you go. Alright, and you can practice that little bit if you need to pause the video. Alright, let's try from the very beginning. The notes will be posted. Let's play along. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beautiful. Next part, part 2 will be posted at a later date, so have fun practicing that much. Thanks for watching.